నా పేరు Faisal Khan అండి. I'm an IT research analyst in Quality Thought, and we are conducting a scholarship test, All India Scholarship Test 2025, right? And this scholarship test is going to be on generative AI, and again the scholarship test రాయడానికి you don't have to be a developer, you don't have to be a coder, anything. Even a normal student, even a pursuing student, okay, let's say మీరు బీటెక్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్, థర్డ్ ఇయర్, ఆర్ లేదా డిగ్రీ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్, సెకండ్ ఇయర్, థర్డ్ ఇయర్, ఎనీ ఇయర్, ఎనీబడి, మీరు ఐటీ ప్రొఫెషనల్ అయినా నాన్ ఐటీ ప్రొఫెషనల్ అయినా ఎవరైనా ఈ టెస్ట్ రాయొచ్చు. అండ్ దిస్ టెస్ట్ విల్ బీ ఆన్ February 2nd at 11 a.m. and we are conducting this test in two modes. One is offline, the other one is online. And online, anybody can just contact on this number and you will get the registration link. Apart from that, let's say if you want to come offline and write, you have two places to come in Hyderabad. One is Amirpet, the other one is Madhapur. Wherever you want, you can sit down and take the test. Okay, so again, the advantage is once you clear the test, or if you get into merit, you will be getting an opportunity to get trained for free. So we are providing for initial the merit 100 students for completely free of cost training. Apart from that, we also provide up to 80% discount on the course. The course actual price will be around 1 lakh rupees. You might get, if you get into merits, you might get a chance to get trained on free, absolutely. And apart from that, we also train you, and we also provide the placement assistance after training. So please do not miss out this opportunity. Thank you.